Hello and welcome back to another video from Kids Editing. Today we're giving a normal looking videos a cool Grand Theft Auto 5 intro look in Filmora. Without further ado, let's begin, shall we? Before we start, I'll just quickly say if you love watching these kind of videos and want to see more cool things like these, please hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment on the video. Let us begin. First, get your footage to the timeline, play the video and pause it when you find a nice frame where you want to apply the GTA effect. Take a screenshot of this frame and cut the video in the timeline at this frame. Now, right click on the screenshot that you took and hit Properties. In the Properties, you can see the save location. Double click on this location to select it and Ctrl C to copy it. We'll need it for the next part of the video. I'll also show the default directory on the screen in case you're having any trouble doing this. For the next part, we're using Pixar.com to remove the background of our image and also give it a GTA-like look. You can use Pixar, it is absolutely free for everyone. Or you can use any other software such as Photoshop, Affinity Photo or any other app that allows you to remove the background and give your photo a GTA-like look. To start with PixArt, first go to Pixar.com, the link is in the description. And you need to sign in with any Google account. And once you're signed in, you'll see the screen. Click on Create. This is the main screen you get from PixArt when signed in. Link is also shown on top of the video if you want to directly access it. You want to go to Change and Remove Background in the editing tools and click Upload. Remember the copied location of the snapshot that we took in the Filmora? Now we are going to use it. So paste it in the directory above but remove the last line such as snapshot109.png from the directory. It'll open the folder where the Filmora screenshots are. Select your photo and click Open. You want to highlight a person, so we select the person option. Background is removed. Pixar will mostly do a good job, but sometimes you can see a little bit of detail missing. We can manually fix it using the eraser on the left. It's okay if the photo cutout is not super clean. When we add the GTA effect, it doesn't really matter. You can't see much detail in it. When done, hit Apply. Your photo will get a white color background automatically. So click on the background and you'll see the options on the top. Select the color and choose the color that your photo does not have. My photo does not have any green color, so I'll choose a bright green color. Also, this bright green color is recommended for most scenarios, but if your photo has a lot of green color in it, it's not recommended. Go for something such as very bright orange or very bright yellow if it doesn't have that. Now that our background is ready, the only thing left is giving the photo a GTA look. So go to Effects on the left and select Magic Effects. Scroll down and select Soul and click Apply. So the photo looks extra bit animated. Don't worry, we're gonna change that. So click on the photo and click on Blend on top and select Soft Light. Now the photo looks much better, but we'll make some more adjustments to it. So I'll increase the fade a bit, turn up saturation and contrast, and when it looks good, hit the download button. Now choose any format. I like bigger file size, so I'll go with PNG. You can go with JPG, it doesn't really matter much. Now add this downloaded photo to Filmora. Now drag the second part of the video that we cut before and make space to insert the effects in between. Now what we need is another image for the background for the person. So go online, find a GTA-like background, download it and add it to Filmora. Now drag the background on the timeline on the track of the original video between the two splitted parts. Now bring the edited person photo on top of this background on the track above. Double click on the person photo and select Chroma key. This is the reason why we chose the green color. or bright color background to apply the green screen properly. Click on the color picker in the Chroma key and select the color and select the green. This will replace the green with the background that we chose. Looks pretty good. Now it's still a photo though. We want to make it a GTA-like effect. In GTA, the photos move a little bit to the sides, giving it live view. Double click on the background photo and tilt the photo a bit using the rotate in the transform and rescale it as per your liking. Let's apply the move effect. Select the person photo and click crop and zoom. Go to pan and zoom. When you go there, make your end screen just a little bit smaller than the starting screen and shift it to any of the sides. Hit OK and apply the same effect to the background as well. When doing so, shift the end screen to the opposite side of the person photo previously to make the effect look better. Let's check it out. Looks pretty good. The playback is not smoother in Filmora, but once you export it, it's going to be super smooth. Now bring back the last piece of the video and make them all together. I'm gonna add the name of the person now. For that, go to the titles and select the titles in the sub-menu on the left. Choose any title with a single line and drag it on top of the person photo in the timeline. Edit the text, rotate it a bit and go to advanced. Select the text border, add the border color as black, increase the border size and blur, decrease the opacity and change the font to Gill Sans Ultra Bold. Check the description if you want to use the exact same font. Position the text and hey, we're done with this. Looks pretty good, right? The font looks almost like the one used in GTA. I know it's not exactly the same, but it's pretty close. So I'm gonna apply the same effect to one more video, add some cool music to it, and here's what we get. To see more cool tricks like these, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and if you have any questions or any requests about specific effects or tricks, write it down in the comment section. That's all for this video. Keep editing. Gets out.